Every second, McDonald's sells over 75 orders of fries. But have you ever wondered how millions of perfectly identical fries are made every single day? The answer is incredible. Before we step inside the factory, hit subscribe for more unbelievable factory secrets you won't see anywhere else. It all starts with specially grown russet potatoes. Only the biggest and highest quality potatoes are chosen to make McDonald's famous fries. Next, high-speed machines wash, peel, and slice thousands of potatoes into perfectly even strips every single minute. The fries are then blanched in hot water to remove natural sugars, helping them cook into the perfect golden color. After drying, the fries are partially fried in vegetable oil, then instantly frozen to lock in their crispy texture. Finally, they're packed, shipped worldwide, and cooked one last time inside your local McDonald's. Would you still eat these famous fries after seeing how they're made? McDonald's starts with specially selected russet Burbank and Chipotle potatoes grown on large farms because their size and starch create the famous crispy fries. After harvesting, thousands of fresh potatoes arrive at the factory every single hour inside massive trucks ready for automated processing. Before anything else happens, every potato passes through advanced scanners that remove damaged or poor quality potatoes within seconds. Only the best potatoes continue down the production line where the real transformation into McDonald's famous fries finally begins. After passing the quality inspection, the selected potatoes enter a massive washing system where powerful streams of water remove every trace of dirt, dust, and tiny stones without damaging the potatoes. Next, they move into high-speed peeling machines that remove the skin within seconds. Every peeled potato is washed once again before traveling toward precision cutting machines. But the most surprising step happens next, before these fries ever reach a McDonald's restaurant. Once the potatoes are perfectly sliced, the fries travel through a hot blanching system where they are gently cooked to remove excess natural sugars and preserve their bright golden color. Powerful air dryers then remove every drop of surface moisture before the fries enter giant fryers, where they're partially cooked in carefully controlled vegetable oil. Every second of this process is monitored by advanced computer systems to ensure every fry looks and tastes exactly the same. After partial frying, the fries enter a powerful flash freezing tunnel where temperatures drop far below zero within minutes. This rapid freezing locks in their fresh flavor, crispy texture, and signature quality. Next, advanced robotic machines carefully weigh, package, and seal every batch before thousands of boxes are prepared for shipment to McDonald's restaurants around the world. Finally, the frozen fries are carefully packed into sealed bags and shipped to McDonald's restaurants around the world under strict temperature control. Inside every restaurant, they're fried one last time for just a few minutes until they become perfectly golden, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. That's the incredible journey behind every McDonald's French fry enjoyed by millions of people every single day. Which factory should I reveal next? Comment below and watch the next video now.